we can, 2x plus y equals 6, we can do ordered pairs, or we can solve for y. It's so easy to solve that one for y, so I'm going to do that. So that'll be y equals negative 2x plus 6. Your y-intercept is 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And your slope is negative 2 over 1. It's rise over run. So let's rise negative 2 and run 1. Rise negative 2 and run 1. Rise negative 2 and run 1. So there's that one. X equals 3. Is that vertical or horizontal? Think about it. X is always 3. That's going to be vertical. And just to remind you, that slope would be undefined. Let's see what we got next. Y equal negative 1. Where is y always negative 1? It's a line, guys. It's not just a point. Number 4, I'm given a point it goes through, 0, 2, and rise over run. Got a positive slope here. I'm going to go rise 1 and run 2. Rise 1 and run 2. Rise, go down 1 and over to the left. Negative, my slope is 1/2. That's also equivalent to negative 1 over negative 2. And that would give me that point, wait, what is it? Down 1 and over 2. Down 1 and over 2 would give me that point right there. And there's that line. And I think I've got one more. For number 1 page, y equal 2x plus 1. That's already solved for y. The y-intercept is 1. And slope is 2 over 1. Rise 2 and run 1. Rise 2 and run 1. Go down 2 and over that point there. This has gone pretty fast. And then number 6, I'm going to choose order pairs for this one. And I'm going to choose order pairs that make my life easier. And what I mean by that is no fractions. So let's let x be 0. If you plug a 0 in for x, you're going to get a y value of negative 3. And now let x be 2. Plug a 2 in. You got 1/2 times 2 minus y equal 3. So those 2's cancel. 1 minus y equal 3 minus y equal 2. Y is minus 2. So 0, negative 3 puts me right there. And then 2, negative 2, over 2 and down 2. So I get that line right there. Let me do another order pair to make it exact as possible. And we're done.